Welcome back, guys. Today we are doing something that I've been wanting to do for a little while here and I'm super excited about. So if you don't know, there is this series on YouTube called Beauty Secrets, and Vogue does it. Celebrities come on and basically show like their full routines, either like getting ready or getting unready. It sort of depends. And I am obsessed with these videos. I think I've seen every single one, and a lot of them I've seen multiple times. I've seen the Rihanna one like, I don't know, 500 times, a lot. And so I thought it would be sort of fun to do my own version of that because I'm not a celebrity and I will never be on Vogue's YouTube channel. So I thought it would be fun to like do it myself and sort of share some of my beauty secrets and do like a more extensive beauty routine, because I feel like a lot of the time I just do like super easy, lazy stuff because that's sort of my everyday. But every once in a while I do like a much fuller routine, so I thought it'd be fun to show you guys that. So it is the morning here, and so my beauty routine starts a lot of different ways in the morning depending on the day. I do different things, masks, exfoliating, stuff like that, but it always starts with brushing my teeth and brushing my retainers. I'm almost done with my invisible retainers now, and I am so excited about it. I'm gonna use my Philips Sonicare toothbrush here. So I've been using this new thing. This is brand new. It's actually a tongue scraper. It's pretty gross, but it gets all the bacteria off of your tongue, which is great, obviously. Gross. And now, speaking of gross, we have to brush our retainers. I just use a normal toothbrush for this because the electric toothbrush like sprays stuff everywhere. Give it a good little scrub. Nice and shiny and new. I've also made it a pretty big goal of mine to try to drink like this whole thing of water while I'm getting ready. Just rehydrate my body, get it ready for the day. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't, to be completely honest, but I try to just at least be conscious of it. Okay, so today what we're going to do to sort of start off our routine is use a fun little tool. This is the Derma Flash, and I love this thing. Totally not sponsored, but I am obsessed. Basically what it does is it exfoliates your skin and removes all of the peach fuzz, and your makeup just goes on so nice afterwards. I absolutely love it. You don't have to worry about anything growing back thicker. That's like totally a myth. I've done this so many times and like my peach fuzz grows back just the same, or even better because I feel like it grows back less. So the first thing you have to do, it comes with these two products. One is like a pre-flash and one is a post-flash. So obviously we're gonna use the pre-flash first, and this just cleanses your skin and preps it so that the Derma Flash can work to the best of its ability. Wetting my face here. Grab just a tiny, tiny bit of my pre. What you do is you grab a new razor, you just like clip it in and then pull it out. Very easy to do. And you don't have to be scared at all of this. So like there are two different settings, one like this and then one's a little bit faster. I use the faster one, but you can obviously use the slower one when it's your first time. I definitely did. But it's not scary. You're not gonna cut yourself. It's gonna be fine, I promise. So here we go. Turn this on and then I pull my skin a little taut and I just start down my face. You can sort of feel if there's still something there. You can go back over it again. And this is just pulling off all of the dead skin and all of the peach fuzz from your face. And then lastly, I go along my forehead as well, but be careful around your eyebrows, obviously. I feel like anytime I show this in my vlog, people are like, aren't you scared you're gonna shave your eyebrows off? And like, no, not really. I don't get that close to them and I'm not gonna like slip. But obviously just be extra careful. My face feels so nice and smooth. Oh my gosh, I love that. And these razors are one-time use, so once you're done, you just eject it out and you're good to go. And then you put on some of the Post Flash, which is a moisturizer. I just put on a little bit of this and then continue on with my skincare routine. So I like to use a toner in the morning. I'm using this Ole Henriksen Dark Spot Toner right now, just because I do have a little bit of acne scars. I also do have a few little zits right now, right on my chin that came up yesterday, but I thought that was sort of good timing for this video because I can show you guys how I would treat them. So I just squirt some of the toner in my hand here, rub it together, and press in, working it in. Once that's dried, I like to go in with my Joanna Vargas Daily Serum. I love this product so much. One of my like favorite holy grail products. Smells amazing, makes my skin feel so nice. Absolutely adore it. Eye creams next. This is actually a newer product in my routine. This is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. It's really nice and thick, which I love. I love a really thick eye cream. I just put some on very gently under my eye and up onto my eyelid as well. As I said, this is a newer product in my routine, so I'm not totally sure if it's here to stay yet, but I love most Ole Henriksen products, so it probably is. Moisturizer, we're sticking with the Ole Henriksen Vitamin C. This is their C Rush Brightening Moisturizer Cream. I just grab a really good amount of that and work it in. I have really naturally dry skin, so I love this product. It really does just brighten and make my skin look and feel just the way I like it to. Drink break. And then we need to moisturize our lips, and that's really it for skincare. So really in the morning, my skincare typically only takes like 3 minutes. It's just because I did the Derma Flash that it took a little bit longer this morning. And that happens sometimes. Some mornings I'll want to do a sheet mask. I really like the Joanna Vargas sheet masks, or once a week I like to use some of these Dr. Dennis Gross chemical peels. They're really, really nice. We're in pretty good shape here right now, guys. Oh yeah, my zit. So I did sleep with one of these little Patchology patches on overnight on my little zit, which helped with the whitehead. And then in the morning, before I put makeup on or anything, I like to give it a little bit of extra love. So this is the Bio Clarity Acne Gel Treatment. Clear, so it's nice just to go on underneath your makeup to give it a little bit of extra love and protection. And then at night, I'll definitely use my Mario Badescu drying lotion. Still live and die by this. It's so good for getting rid of zits. So skin is nice and prepped now. Should we get into the makeup? Dare we? I'm not gonna go into a whole lot of super specifics for it, but I'm just gonna give you the general idea of what I do for my makeup, and there will be an everyday like full makeup tutorial coming up on my channel really soon, so keep an eye out for that. On a typical day, I don't do my skincare and then immediately go into makeup unless I need to wake up in the morning and leave right away, which is sort of rare for me. So what I like to do, just to give my face a little bit of extra moisture if it's been a couple hours since I did my skincare, is I like to put on some of this Dr. Dennis Gross Hyaluronic Marine Booster. It's a serum. It's really, really nice, and it just like gives your skin a little bit of glow and moisture right before you put products on. Since I did just put my moisturizer on, I think I'm gonna skip this today, but this is like really a part of my everyday routine because typically I'm not doing things in this much of an order. Okay, to start us off here, we are going to go in with our concealer. I don't use any foundation right now, which is really nice, so I'm just gonna use a bit of this. Just start under my eyes and then use a damp beauty blender to blend this in. Next up, my chin, which is probably naturally the reddest part of my face. And then I just throw a little bit of product on my nose and right in between my eyebrows as well, and blend. And then since I do have these two little zits right now, they just need a little bit of extra attention. I haven't broken out in a while, so it's fine that they're here, just little visitors, and voila, now they are gone. Next up, bronzer. I just use a big fluffy brush here and warm up my face. Brought back to life again, thank goodness. Blush, I love this cream blush so much. It's from Nude Sticks. It's one of their Nudies cream blushes, and this is in the color Bareback. So cute. I know you're really not supposed to use cream on top of powder, but too bad. All right, blending, blending. Oh my god, my makeup is going on so nice and smooth right now because of that Derma Flash. I'm obsessed. And I just like to take a little bit of extra, tap it sort of across my nose here, and then actually use this to prime my eyes usually as well. Highlight is obviously a must-have, so go in here. I like to use this powder one from Tarte and just work it right up top here. I feel like you can't really see it in this lighting, but it is so beautiful. Yes. Take some on my finger, go into my nose. We love a little shiny nose. Cupid's bow. And then I take a little bit into my inner corner and along my brow bone. Now on a day like today, when I'm really not doing that much, I like to keep it a little chill with the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use my Kylie bronze palette. This is like, I'm pretty sure the very first palette that she ever released. Doesn't even have a mirror inside of it, because she used to not do that. And I'm just taking this really big fluffy brush. It should probably be like for your face, but I like to use it on my eyes. And I'm just gonna grab some of this like shimmery brown, put it all over my lid. Grabbing a little flat shader brush, and I'm just gonna grab this darker brown color and just put this on the outer corner and under our lash line. And there we go. It like looks like we put effort into our eyeshadow, and we absolutely did not at all. Maybe like a touch of eyeliner, just a little brown, just along my lash line. Okay, here's one of my beauty secrets, since that's what this video is supposed to be. I like to apply this first coat of mascara over all of the lashes on both of my eyes. And while I'm doing the other eye, the first eye starts to dry a little, but the mascara isn't dried yet. It just is a little bit more dried, which is really nice because it almost makes them like a little bit tacky or something. So when you're putting on a second coat, I just find it looks so much better than if you just did like a second coat right at the same time. I hope that even makes sense. Slash probably everyone does their mascara this way, I don't know. But I've just really noticed a big difference when I do it this way. You can see that's 2 coats and this is just the one. Brows, I'm usually pretty lazy and I just run a little bit of Gimme Brow through them. Okay, finishing touch, our lips. I don't like to do anything crazy on my lips. I really like this little tinted lip balm from Fresh Beauty. You can see it's like a pretty similar color to my natural lips. Just enhances them slightly, I find. And it makes them look a little bit more shiny and moisturized. We're just sort of letting our hair do what it wants nowadays. So I've sort of been keeping it straight, but like a little bit messy-ish, I don't know. For a little bit of this Paul Mitchell smoothing cream in. Just a really small drop is all you need, but it smells amazing. Work it into the ends, and then you can pull any excess into the top, but mostly for the ends of your hair. Cool, and now last thing I guess is just setting spray. I use this Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Seal everything in all day long, and there you go. This is our entire beauty routine, you guys. Maybe I'll bring you out into the natural light so you can like fully experience all of this. Finished look with nowhere to go because we were all in quarantine, but it does make me feel like a human again, having makeup on, which is sort of nice. Love it. It just is natural, easy, takes very, very little time. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you don't watch Beauty Secrets, seriously go watch it. It's so entertaining just to see and hear all of the things that they're doing. I really, really enjoy it, and I think you will too. And I hope you enjoyed mine also. Okay, let's do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in my next one.